When homeowners in Knoxville look for ways to boost property value, they often think about kitchen upgrades, new flooring, or exterior improvements. But one feature that consistently delivers strong visual impact and real return on investment is the installation of Bow Windows. Across Knoxville neighborhoods, from historic areas to newer suburban developments, Bow Windows are becoming a smart upgrade that enhances both home appeal and resale value. Instantly elevating curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially in competitive Knoxville housing markets. Bow windows extend outward from the home, creating a graceful curve that instantly adds architectural interest. Unlike flat windows, bow windows give a home depth and dimension, making the exterior stand out in a neighborhood full of traditional facades. For potential buyers, this visual upgrade signals quality and thoughtful design. A home with bow windows often looks more customized and well-maintained, which can positively influence buyer perception before they even step inside. Bringing in more natural light. One of the biggest selling points of bow windows is the abundance of natural light they provide. By combining multiple window panels angled outward, bow windows allow sunlight to enter from several directions throughout the day. In Knoxville homes, where buyers value bright, welcoming interiors, this added light can make living rooms, dining areas, or primary bedrooms feel larger and more inviting. Well-lit spaces are consistently associated with higher home value because they improve mood, reduce the need for artificial lighting, and highlight interior finishes. Creating usable living space. Bow windows don't just look good, they add functional space. The outward curve creates a natural nook that homeowners can use as a reading area, breakfast spot, plant display, or additional seating. Buyers often see this as bonus square footage, even if it's subtle. In Knoxville neighborhoods where maximizing interior comfort is important, this added versatility can make a home more desirable and memorable during showings. Improving energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality frames, double or triple pane glass, and low-E coatings help regulate indoor temperatures throughout the year. In Knoxville's mix of hot summers and cooler winters, energy efficiency is a major selling point. Homes with upgraded windows tend to attract buyers who are conscious of utility costs. Lower energy bills can increase perceived value and reduce buyer hesitation during negotiations. Enhancing interior style and flow inside the home, bow windows create a sense of openness that appeals to today's buyers. The curved design softens sharp lines and adds elegance without feeling overwhelming. Whether a home leans traditional or modern, bow windows blend easily with many interior styles. They also offer panoramic views of outdoor spaces, trees, yards, or neighborhood streets, connecting indoor living with the outdoors. This visual connection is especially appealing in Knoxville neighborhoods known for their greenery and scenic surroundings. Increasing resale value and buyer interest. While exact returns vary, bow windows are widely viewed as a premium upgrade. Homes featuring them often photograph better, show better, and leave a lasting impression on buyers. In many cases, buyers are willing to pay more for homes that feel brighter, more spacious, and visually unique. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, bow windows can be a strategic investment. They help a property stand out, reduce time on the market, and support higher asking prices, especially when combined with professional installation and quality materials. A smart upgrade for Knoxville homeowners. Bow windows offer more than just beauty. They provide comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. In Knoxville neighborhoods where buyers appreciate character, light, and thoughtful design, this upgrade can significantly enhance a home's appeal. Whether you're improving your forever home or preparing for resale, bow windows are a stylish, practical way to increase home value while enjoying the benefits every day.